In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log activities in Monday Sales CRM. Keeping a clean, searchable record of every touchpoint is the backbone of reliable sales follow-up. Let's make this simple and repeatable so you and your team always know what happened, when it happened, and what comes next. Start by opening Monday Sales CRM and heading to the exact place where the activity belongs. That's usually the contact profile if the interaction was with a person, or the deal record if it was directly tied to a sales opportunity. Use the search bar or your boards to find it quickly, and take a second to confirm you're on the right record by checking the name and company. Putting the activity on the correct contact or deal ensures reports, timelines, and handoffs all stay accurate. On that page, look for the option labeled Add Activity or Log Activity. You'll typically find it near the top of the record or in the Activity or Updates area. The wording can vary slightly depending on your view, but the function is the same. You're about to record what happened. If your screen is a bit busy, expand the activity panel so you can see the full logging area. Next, choose the activity type that best matches what you're recording: call, email, meeting, or note. Picking the right type helps your pipeline analytics stay honest and saves time when you filter later. If it was a call, capture the essentials: who you spoke with, the purpose of the call, the key takeaways, and any follow-up you promised. Keep it concise but specific enough that someone else could understand the conversation at a glance. For an email, summarize the intent and outcome. Note the subject or topic in plain language, what you shared or asked, and how the recipient responded. If the email moved the deal forward, mention that too. For a meeting, include the agenda, what was decided, and any commitments or deadlines. It's helpful to note attendee names and roles so the context is clear, especially for cross-functional teams. Use a note when you're adding context that isn't a direct interaction, like research, internal updates, or observations that will inform your next move. Think of it as leaving breadcrumbs your future self and your teammates will thank you for. As a best practice, log activities soon after they happen while details are fresh. Use consistent wording, avoid jargon that others might not recognize, and make sure the information belongs on the contact or deal you've opened. Once you've chosen the type and added the details, your update will live on the activity timeline, giving you a clean, chronological view of engagement that supports better forecasting and smoother handoffs.